everyone, how are you today? And welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make spiral ham for holiday. So we're gonna bake the ham in the oven. It's nice, and the special about the ham is the glaze. So we're gonna make a homemade glaze, not the one in the envelope you buy from the store. So let's start with the glaze first here. We have some honey. That's the main key for the glaze, it's the honey. And I have some Dijon mustard and brown sugar. And now we're gonna make the pineapple. So just cut bottom. Definitely we're not using the pineapple from the can. We're making everything's fresh. Alright, so let's slice our pineapple. Beauty. This I'm gonna slice it after to put it, and now let's use our gadget here. Put the pineapple in. Beautiful. And nice. That's what we need. Pineapple puree. And what do we have here? I want to put some maple syrup and orange zest for sure. Orange zest and the pineapple, the brown sugar, they give kind of like a marmalade flavor. Very nice for the ham. There we go. So now we need to give it a little mix. I already can smell it. The aroma is so nice. Let's give it a little try. Why not? Won't hurt. Awesome. That's the best glaze you will ever have. Beautiful. There you go. Let's put it on the side now. A little bit thin. So the ham I'm using is spiral ham and already sliced. You can see that. Look, here you go. It's already sliced in between. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to stuff the pineapple I slice in between. Here you go, just small pieces. And I have here some maraschino cherry. I'm gonna squeeze in between as well. So one slice pineapple, one slice maraschino cherry. Here you go, and I'll do this all over again till I finish the last line here. And in the meantime, why I'm doing this, because it opens up the ham in between. So when I put the glaze at the beginning, the glaze goes inside the ham and give you the full flavor. Here you go. So I'm almost done here 3/4 way. So I'm gonna hold it a little bit. So one this side, you can use a wood skewer till you wrap it, till you finish stuffing it and you wrap it all up. All the flavor of the pineapple and the cherry gonna go inside the ham. It's gonna look super nice. Before I cover it up, glaze we made here, I'm gonna put some on the top. Half of it I'm gonna use now. So when we're cooking it, we're gonna put it in the oven, preheat oven on 325 for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Then we're gonna uncover it, put the rest of the glaze and cook it again for 45 minutes. Let's take the skewer out, cover it up from one side, take the second one out, and cover up the second side. Here you go. So after 1 hour, took it out and I put it upside down. Now we're gonna finish it with the rest of the glaze, and we're gonna put it back uncovered in the oven for another 30 to 45 minutes. It depends. And if you're cooking, approximately about 12 to 15 minutes per pound. Voila. Very nice. Look at this. That's how your ham's gonna look like when it comes out from the oven. 325 for 1 hour, an hour and 20 minutes. Then you take it out, you uncover it, you finish it with the rest of the glaze. You put it back in the oven, uncover for another 35 to 45 minutes. It's fall off the bone. Look at this. So now let's work carefully to transfer our ham into the tray. Ooh, yummy. You can see that. Look at this. The piece is falling off the bone. Take a little bit of juice, put on top. Tray on the side. I have here some leftover pineapple slice and oranges and the cherry I can put around it. A few pieces green. This is an optional, you don't have to put, but this is if you're serving it on the table, the whole ham, if you're serving it on the table, you can put the garnish here around it. Remember when we cut the pineapple, we have the crown of the pineapple, so I saved it. What I saved it for, you just grab it, you turn it upside down, give it a little push, and then we're gonna make it look like a Christmas tree. You can use a toothpick just to hold it with the ham. There you go. Presentation is very important for the meal as well. And I have here, I cut it myself, the pineapple, and I left 3 cherries I gonna put here as well, so give a little. Here you go. Now I'm gonna put a little bit icing sugar. Voila, look at this, a Christmas tree made out of ham. So this is spiral ham, baked ham, made for the holidays, and I want you guys to enjoy it. And you, as I said, you can serve it as a slice. You turn it upside down on the side, and you take the ham slice on the plate and you serve it, or you can keep it like this and you can slice it as you slicing shawarma. Isn't that nice? Look at this, yummy. Why you guys Google it when you can cookle it? So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.